Today I'm creating an orange coloured juice using tomatoes, oranges and basil. Although I love tomatoes, the thought of drinking tomato juice has never appealed to me. I've never made a tomato juice and I've never even drank a Bloody Mary because it always seems a bit thick and gloopy to me, but so I'm being a big brave girl with this one. The benefits of tomato juice are that it's rich in nutrients like vitamin C, B and potassium. It also is an excellent source of antioxidants such as lycopene, which can reduce inflammation and risk of heart disease and maybe some cancers. There's many benefits of taking basil. One of the most interesting things is it's believed to stimulate neurotransmitters that regulate hormones responsible for inducing happiness and energy, and it's also a powerful anti-stress agent. I passed mine through the sieve just to make sure it was really smooth, and I actually found the savoury flavour quite nice, and it was much better than I thought.